This tutorial will talk you through how to set up InstruManager. The setup guide is also available as a separate downloadable document from the main website, or you can also find the setup guide included within the main user guide. The latest version of InstruManager can be downloaded at any time from the InstruManager website by clicking on the download button in the navigation bar. Once downloaded and installed, the setup process will start automatically. The first window you'll be shown allows you to select the language you'll be using InstruManager in. Currently English is the only supported language, however other languages will be available in forthcoming releases. The next window allows you to select whether you want to set up a new database or connect to an existing one. If this is the first computer you're installing InstruManager on, you'll want to select Set up a new database. If this is a subsequent computer, you'll want to select Connect to an existing database. If you selected Set up a new database, the next window will allow you to choose the settings to define how you want your database to behave. These should be fairly self-explanatory, however, if you hold the mouse button over the question mark icons beside each field, it will give you some more information about what it means. Detailed descriptions of all of the fields in the database settings can also be found in the user guide under the Database Settings heading. Also, all of these settings can be changed at any time through the Database Settings window in the main program. Once these details have been entered, the database location screen will be shown next. This is where you tell InstruManager either where you would like your new database to be located, or the location of the existing database you want to connect to. There are two types of database connections available, SQLite and MySQL. If you choose SQLite, your database will be located in a file on your network or on your computer. If you choose MySQL, your database will be located on your server. Note that if you choose MySQL, you will need to have a blank database set up on your server before inputting the host, name, user and password. Once this database is set up, InstruManager will connect to it and input all the relevant tables and other information. As to which database you choose, this depends on the specifics of how your company will operate with InstruManager, such as whether you're using multiple offices with the same database, whether you're operating your database within a small network without running MySQL on the server, or whether you expect to have lots of users connected to the database at the same time. If you're unsure about this and want to discuss these options, please feel free to contact us. Once you've put in the details, if you click the Test button, InstruManager will attempt to connect to the database. Any connection issues will be fed back to you. The final stage of the setup process is to select whether you wish to evaluate the software, or if you have already purchased a license, enter your license details. InstruManager can be evaluated for 30 days before a purchased license code will be required to continue using it. Once you click Finish, the setup process will be complete. If you created a new database, you'll see an empty timeline. From here, go to the Administration area to start entering the information about your equipment, users and locations. If you connected to an existing database, InstruManager will be in station mode and you can log in as normal. That completes the setup of the program. The next video will give you an introduction to the administration area.